Welcome to Mumbai, India's food capital, where every street tells a story through its flavors. Today, Tommy T and Alice are tasting some of the city's most famous dishes, from legendary street food to local favorites. Get ready for a delicious journey through the flavors of Mumbai. Let's dig in.
So you can get your poached eggs if you're conservative, or your omelet. The one thing that's amazing, Alice, is this masala tea, right? I mean, way better than coffee, chai tea. But if you come to India, you gotta have this masala hot tea.
Oh yeah. As soon as I arrive, I'm gonna live here for 20 days on this.
There you go. One of the best restaurants in Mumbai, guys.
Yeah, it's been suggested by an Indian person, so it must be really good.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Wow, it looks fantastic. Are you ready, Alice?
Yes, look at all the colors on this dish.
Yeah, local Mumbai food. It doesn't get much better than this. Ah, what do you think? What do you think, Alice? All right, if you come to India, you gotta get thumbs up. That's right, it's the Indian Coca-Cola. Absolutely awesome. But better yet, you gotta get some masala chips. You're only gonna find these in India. Guys, get you some thumbs up and masala chips. And look at there, our tour guides liking it. How you like it? Thumbs up? All right. Alice!
Yeah, you know, but I'm from Italy, but what about the pizza from India?
Huh?
Yes. It's a little bit. Oh, you don't have only one. I have, no, we share this one. We share this one.
All right, we have one of the most veteran Italians right here. Good?
Okay.
Good? The Italianos give thumbs up to Indian pizza, guys. Very good. Ah, you did good. Alice, we got a special for you.
Oh, really?
Yep, it's called Pizza by the Bay.
Oh my gosh! Wow!
Wow, look at that. Awesome. Smoke? Right here.
Okay.
This is very
Wow. Look at that. Another incredible fact we just found out from.
Akshata here knows all the stuff.
So this is one of our Mumbai's first coffee experiential store, and our menu of drink and food is a bit different from other Starbucks. So I hope you will enjoy the menu of drinks and food.
Yeah, it seems very Indian. Everything is Indian.
We are having some Indian food such as like rivers, vada pav, pav bhaji. These are all famous street food of Mumbai.
Very cool.
We are having some new collections of bags, then some merchandise, and the coffees which are available here, you are not going to get in any Starbucks.
Oh,
we are
wow.
the first Starbucks which is offering 14 different espresso choice.
An India States blend, huh?
Yes.
Look
this
at this.
Willow blend, only available in our Starbucks.
Only here.
Yes.
Wow.
We have sold out more than different.
Look at all the mugs from
Yes.
India. That's so cool.
When you see this, some freshly prepared food, we bake these croissants and cookies in our store only. And
Right here?
Yes. In our store, we are having some baking machines inside.
Wow.
And we are having that made-to-order menu, which is only available in Dhanraj Mahal store.
What's your favorite of these?
In this, my favorite is that chocolate croissant and butter croissant. And in this twist, one of the best in our twist is this onion and cheese twist.
Onion and cheese twist. How good's the chocolate chip cookie?
Chocolate chip cookie, one of the best cookie that we are baking in our store. Yes.
You rock it.
We are having
I tell ya.
order menu, and we are having some baked fries.
Very cool. All right, Alice, we learned something else here in India.
Oh yeah, for sure. They don't say 388, they say 388, and I couldn't understand what the hell was that.
All right, 388. Got to remember that. So much for our McDonald's adventure. We did Starbucks, we did McDonald's. We're gonna keep going on our 3-week trip in India. What did you think?
I think that it was a great experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and what we actually showed you about the visit McDonald's. Let us know in the comment down below. Have you ever tried McDonald's in India? And what do you think about these great ideas, the vegetarian option, the paneer, and so on? Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button.
And thank you so much for watching. How to have fun outdoors.